our online Zoom meeting, and I was very happy to meet you all, see you all. And first time I was seeing you all, maybe via through online, but I was so happy to meet you. It was such a wonderful experience. And very soon next week also we will conduct the same Zoom meeting, and the next meeting I expect all of you to be meeting. Okay, all of you to attend the meeting. Now coming back to the classes, my dear students. Okay, so till our previous class, what are we studying? Since our previous classes, we are doing the lesson 2, that is word meanings, right? So once again, like our previous classes, today also we will deal with 10 new more word meanings with the sentences as well. And as you know, you have to make your own sentences in that as well. So get ready with your headphones, take out your notebook and textbook, and get ready for today's class. Let's begin the class. There will be total 10 words, as I said in the beginning. So let me point out those words once. Those will be bouquet, bloom, capture, bold, century, coir, cheat, conserve, clam, and the last word for today's class will be confusion. So very quickly we'll learn the words and the meanings, and also we'll make sentences. Okay, so beginning with the first word, bouquet. Bouquet meaning a bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. Means flowers के एक गुच्छे को, जब हम सभी flowers को एक साथ जब इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं, that time we call those flowers as bouquet. When all the flowers are together, we call that as bouquet. Okay, so bouquet means a bunch of flowers. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. So a sentence for that: my friends gifted me a bouquet. My friends gifted me a bouquet means मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे एक बुके गिफ्ट किया. Right? My friends gifted me a bouquet. Now coming to the second word, bloom. Bloom meaning to grow. Bloom, to grow. Roses bloom throughout the winter. So this is the sentence. Roses bloom throughout the winter. What's the meaning for bloom? To grow. मतलब बढ़ना, grow करना, है ना? So bloom means to grow, and the sentence for that is roses bloom throughout the winter. Roses bloom throughout the winter. मतलब roses पूरे ठंड के महीनों में grow करती हैं, खिली हुई रहती है. Okay. Next word is capture. Capture meaning to take hold of. Meaning to take hold of means capture. General meaning for capture is किसी को पकड़ लेना. Okay, so take hold of, उनकी फिर उनको आप पकड़ के रखे. Okay, you have hold it there. So capture means to take hold of, to hold of anything. That can be any human being, any animal, or any object, anything it can be. But you are holding that. So capture means to take hold of. And the sentence for that is I managed to avoid the capture. So the sentence is I managed to avoid the capture. Avoid the capture मतलब कोई आपको पकड़ना चाह रहा था and आपने खुद को उससे बचा लिया. So I managed to avoid the capture. The next word is bold, which means brave. Bold meaning brave, bahadur. Okay, who is very brave, who is bahadur, that courageous, we call them bold. Now sentence for that is, what can be the sentence? Quitting the job was a bold decision. Quitting the job was a bold decision. मतलब जॉब को छोड़ने का जो डिसीजन था वो बहुत बोल्ड था, बहुत brave decision था. It was a very courageous decision to quit the job. So the sentence is quitting the job was a bold decision. Next word, that's the fifth word for today's class, that is century, meaning a period of 100 years. Century, which means a period of 100 years. 100 साल के पूरे, जब पूरे 100 साल के सेट को हम क्या कहेंगे? Century. Okay, century means a period of 100 years. The sentence is it was the worst storm to hit Mumbai this century. It was the worst storm to hit Mumbai this century. You understand the sentence? What does that mean? It was the worst storm to hit Mumbai. मुंबई को हिट करने वाला ये सबसे worst, सबसे बुरा दर्दनाक स्टॉर्म था, तूफान था इन दिस सेंचुरी. मतलब इन 100 सालों में सबसे तबाही वाला या भयानक स्टॉर्म मुंबई को हिट किया. सो इट वाज द वर्स्ट स्टॉर्म टू हिट मुंबई दिस सेंचुरी. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ वर्ड ऑफ टुडेज क्लास, दैट इज choir. Choir meaning a group of singers. A group of singers. Singers का जो एक ग्रुप होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Choir. Now the sentence for the word choir is
My younger sister is a part of school choir. My younger sister is a part of school choir. Write it down in your notebook. My younger sister is a part of school choir. So what does mean? My younger sister is in the school singing group, right? So that's why I'll be saying my younger sister is a part of school choir. Now, next word, that is cheap. Cheap. What does cheap means? Low in price. सस्ता. Simple हिंदी में अगर मैं आपको समझाऊँ तो. So cheap means low in price. So what does that mean? Sentence for that. Cheap clothes are available in Sarojini market. Sentence for that. Cheap clothes मतलब सस्ते कपड़े available है. कहाँ available है? Sarojini market में. So cheap clothes are available in Sarojini market. Next word is conserve. To protect from harm. Conserve meaning to protect from harm. मतलब नुकसान होने से बचाना. So what we say, conserve meaning to protect from harm. Now the sentence for that is we should conserve our environment. We should conserve our environment. मतलब हमें अपने environment को बचा कर रखना है, नुकसान से बचाना है, harm होने से बचाना है. So we should conserve our environment. Ninth word is clown. Clown meaning joker. The next word is clown meaning joker. So clown means joker. We all know clown. We see in circus. We also see in cartoons and movies as well. So clown meaning joker. Now sentence for that is my mother invited a clown in my birthday party. My mother invited a clown in the birthday party. So here what's happening? The mother has invited the clown. उन्होंने clown को बुलाया है किसके? अपने birthday party में. Okay. So my mother invited a clown in my birthday party. Now coming to the last word, that is conclusion meaning ending. Conclusion meaning ending. जब किसी भी चीज़ के ख़त्म होने का टाइम आ जाता है, we say it is conclusion. We end something, that time we call it as conclusion. Now the sentence for this is don't come to conclusion without knowing the story. What is the sentence? Don't come to conclusion without knowing the story. कहानी पूरी जाने बिना आप एक conclusion पे मत आइए, एक ending पे मत आइए. Okay, so don't come to conclusion without knowing the story. So students, with this we completed 10 words of our today's class. So we'll revise it once. Okay, study today. Bouquet meaning bouquet, a bunch of flowers. Then the second word was bloom. Bloom meaning to grow. Okay, then the third, capture, to take hold of. Capture, to take hold of. Then the next is bold meaning brave. Bold meaning brave. Now, and the next word was century, a period of 100 years. A period of 100 years. 100 साल के period को हम क्या कहते हैं? Century. Then the next sixth word was choir. Choir meaning a group of singers. Choir, a group of singers. Then it was cheap. Cheap meaning low in price. Low in price. Then the next word was conserve, to protect from harm. To protect from harm. Then the second last word was clown. Clown meaning joker. And the last word was conclusion. Conclusion meaning ending. Okay. Students, I hope you understood the word meanings very well and you also wrote the sentences which I gave you. So remember in mind the format which I showed you in the video. First of all, you have to write the word meanings in the sentence, then the sentence which you will make by your own using that word. So I hope you will be completing your homework and sending me very soon. And your English teacher will be back again in her next class with some new more words to learn. Okay, students.